from the city of Troy, they've just claimed the winner's trophy!
Let's park it inside!
Reporting live from the deck. Someone playing the war horn like it's karaoke night at Valhalla.
Brave warrior!
What is your great strategy to crush enemy today?
Easy, just with a single prompt.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add eye-catching and powerful sound effects to a VEO 3-style video using Filmora 14. Open up Filmora 14 and import your VEO 3 video into the editor. Once you've imported your VEO 3 video into Filmora 14, the first thing you need to do is drag and drop the video onto the timeline.
Live from the city of Troy, they've just claimed the winner's trophy!
Let's park it inside!
This is my base footage.
Reporting live from the deck. Someone playing the war horn like it's karaoke night at Valhalla.
Brave warrior!
But I want to make it look more professional and attractive. So I'm going to enhance it by adding sound effects, subtitles, background audio, transition effects, and more. Let's start with this scene. As you can see, there's a moment where people are shouting and there's a lot of noise. So I want to match that with a sound effect. I'll go to the Audio tab and click on the Sound Effects button. Now, in the search bar, I'll type 100 people crowd noise to find the most realistic effect. Once I find the one I like, I'll download it and drag it onto the timeline, right at the moment where the crowd is active.
Let's park it inside!
Then, I'll cut and adjust the audio clip to fit the scene perfectly. And tweak the volume so it blends naturally. Let's play it back.
Let's park it inside!
And yes, now it sounds just right. Moving on to the next clip. Here, you can see a lady looks scared and there's a bomb blast in the background. To match the scene, I'm going to search for a bomb explosion sound effect. Listen to a few options and choose the one that fits best. I'll add it to the timeline and adjust its timing and volume for better sync with the visual.
Let's park it inside!
Reporting live from the deck. Someone playing the war horn like it's karaoke night at Valhalla.
Brave!
Now on to the next part. In this scene, there's a war scene happening. You can hear chaos, gunfire, and explosions. To make this more intense, I'll search for war sounds or battle effects like gunshots, blasts, and heavy action. Once I find a good match, I'll drag the audio into the background and adjust it just like before. Let's hit play.
What is your great strategy to crush enemy today?
Easy.
And wow, it feels super real now.
What is your great strategy to crush enemy today?
Easy, just with a single prompt.
Reporting live from Alex.
Next, we have a fun little scene where a man is eating. So to make it more lively, I'll add an eating sound effect. Again, I'll browse through the options. Pick the one that sounds natural.
To conquer a sandwich.
I said, take the...
And add it right where the eating starts. Adjust, trim, preview. Perfect. Finally, let's jump to the last part. This one's funny. There's a gorilla and a man talking. And at the end, they both start laughing. I want to add a funny laugh sound effect here. Filmora has lots of laugh sounds, so I'll listen to a few and choose the one that fits the tone best. Maybe something goofy or exaggerated. I'll add it in, adjust the timing and volume, and play it back. And that's it. My video is now fully edited with all the right sound effects in place. From crowd noises and bomb blasts to war scenes, eating sounds, and funny laughs. Everything is perfectly aligned and the video feels much more engaging and realistic. Let's watch the full video one more time.
Live from the city of Troy, they've just claimed the winner's trophy!
Let's park it inside.
Reporting live from the deck. Someone playing the war horn like it's karaoke night at Valhalla.
Brave warrior!
What is your great strategy to crush enemy today?
Easy, just with a single prompt.
Reporting live from Alexander the Great's war. I just saw a soldier try to conquer a sandwich.
I said, take the hill! Oh no! I told them to bake a grill!
Do you believe in Darwin's theory?
Only if it explains my ex-driving.
Yep, looks great. Now, it's time to move on to one of the most useful features, subtitles. Adding subtitles to your video not only makes it more engaging, but also helps with accessibility and viewer retention. The best part? You don't need to write subtitles manually. Filmora 14 makes it super simple. It can automatically generate subtitles for you. Here's how. First, click on the title tab and then select the A caption button. Now, you'll see the option Choose File to Convert. In this step, I'm going to select Clip Selection because I only want to add subtitles to a specific clip. Next, select the transcription language. I'm going to pick English. You can also translate your subtitles to another language. Super useful if you're targeting an international audience. Now, choose your output format. You can go with SRT files or add titles directly to your video. Once everything is selected, just hit the Generate button. Filmora will now start processing your video. It only takes a few seconds.
Let's park it inside.
Reporting live from the deck. Someone playing the war horn like it's karaoke night at Valhalla.
And yes, the subtitles are right there, synced with the video. If you want to customize them, you absolutely can. Just click on the captions and choose from a variety of styles and animations. You can apply basic animations or choose from preset styles to match your video's look. For example, I really like this style.
Live from the city of Troy, they've just claimed the winner's trophy!
Let's park it inside.
Reporting live from the deck. Someone playing the war horn like it's karaoke night at Valhalla.
Brave warrior!
What is your great strategy to crush enemy today?
And there you go. That's how easy it is to add subtitles in Filmora 14. So, with just a few simple steps, you can automatically generate subtitles, customize their look, and even combine them with sound effects to make your VEO 3 video way more attractive and professional. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.